Sales are booming. That's great. But a sudden spike is also one of the fastest ways to get your merchant account flagged or frozen. Here is a simple way to check it. Make a sheet with your monthly sales next to your processor's volume limits. If you are consistently breaking those thresholds, you are at risk of account holds. Most processors set soft or hard limits on how much you can process per month. If your business suddenly doubles in volume, they may pause payouts or review your account, even if everything is legitimate. By tracking your sales against your limits, you will know when it's time to upgrade your processing before problems hit. With EasyPay Direct, you won't have to worry about outgrowing your processor. They work with banks that can scale with your sales and support long term growth. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. They also offer transaction routing, which helps your payments run smoothly even as volumes rise. If your sales are growing and you don't want to risk shutdowns, EasyPay Direct can make sure your processor grows with you. The link is in the description when you are ready.